Start taking them outside.
Like it.
Good job, Evie. She's smelling it. That's okay. She's smelling it. There she goes. There she goes. She's eating it. She's eating it. The only one that hasn't eaten is the little girl. Let's see if we can get her to eat some. Come here. You smell it a little bit. Smell it. See, that smells good. Oh, there she goes. Looky there. Are they all eating, Evie? Did they all try a little bit of food? Well, boys, okay, you're going to fatten up real nice here. We're going to fatten them up because because they're not going to nurse on their mama tonight because we're going to separate them. Yeah. She's slipping in it? Yeah, that's good, Evie. Get out of there now, pups. Let me get it towards the outside. Everybody can get a little bit.
Liberty does not like this.
I know. Evie, you don't have to push on her. She smells it now.
She's eating it.
She's eating it, Evelyn.
Yep,
Evelyn, let her go. Okay? They're just trying it out right now. Later on, they'll eat a lot more.